Get ready, VR fans! Meta has officially confirmed the launch of the highly anticipated Meta Quest 4, and it's shaping up to be a game-changer in gaming, entertainment, and mixed reality. With next-gen displays, ultra-fast Snapdragon XR processing, improved tracking, AI-powered pass-through, 8K level visuals, and enhanced ergonomics, this headset promises smoother, more immersive experiences than ever before. In today's video, we're diving deep into the full specs, confirmed price, launch date, and all the new features that could make the Quest 4 the ultimate VR device for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. Stick around, because this is the VR upgrade you've been waiting for. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The VR and AR community is buzzing with excitement as Meta officially confirms the launch details for the highly anticipated Meta Quest 4, a device that promises to redefine immersive experiences in gaming, entertainment, and productivity, and the big question on everyone's mind is whether the Quest 4 will live up to the hype, delivering groundbreaking performance, unprecedented visual fidelity, and next-level interactivity for both casual users and hardcore VR enthusiasts. Following the success of the Meta Quest 3, which brought impressive processing power, standalone operation, and a wide library of games and applications, the Quest 4 is rumored to integrate a completely new display technology with higher resolution panels, wider field of view, and faster refresh rates, ensuring ultra-smooth visuals and a more natural, lifelike VR experience, reducing motion sickness and improving comfort for long gaming sessions, alongside enhanced display specs. The Quest 4 is expected to feature the latest generation Snapdragon XR chipset, providing faster processing, better energy efficiency, and the ability to handle more complex, graphically intensive VR environments, making it suitable not just for gaming, but also for professional applications such as 3D modeling, virtual meetings, and immersive simulations. Tracking and interaction are also set to see major upgrades, with next-gen inside-out tracking sensors, improved hand tracking, and refined controller ergonomics, ensuring precision movement, accurate gesture recognition, and more natural interactions within virtual worlds, while also offering backward compatibility with existing Quest games and apps to maintain a robust ecosystem for early adopters. Rumors indicate that Meta has focused heavily on mixed reality capabilities, introducing improved pass-through cameras, better depth sensing, and advanced AI-powered object recognition, which could enable seamless AR experiences overlaid on the real world, bridging the gap between virtual and physical spaces for productivity, entertainment, and social applications. Ergonomics and design improvements are also expected to be significant, with a lighter, more balanced headset, enhanced comfort padding, and improved ventilation, making it ideal for extended use without strain, which has been a common concern for previous VR devices. Connectivity options are rumored to include ultra-fast Wi-Fi 7 support, enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, and USB-C high-speed data transfer, allowing for low-latency streaming, faster downloads, and smooth integration with PCs and cloud-based VR platforms, making the Quest 4 a versatile tool for both standalone and tethered experiences. In terms of battery life, early leaks suggest Meta has optimized power consumption with more efficient displays and processors, potentially extending playtime while reducing heat output, allowing users to enjoy longer VR sessions without frequent recharging, while also providing faster charging solutions for convenience. Price and availability have also been confirmed, with Meta positioning the Quest 4 competitively in the high-end VR market, offering an appealing balance of cutting-edge features and affordability.